Nonprofits, do you know what donors' motives are for giving in a crisis? The headlines keep popping up. Giving is up in 2020 compared to the same time last year. In fact, one survey finds giving in the second quarter of 2020 increased by a whopping 41% over last year. And the uptick in giving is not only for nonprofits directly aligned with the crisis. Hi there, I'm Nancy Reeves, your fundraising coach. The bottom line is those who can give are giving, and often giving more. Why is this happening? What are donors' motives for giving in a crisis? Well, a survey analyzing the giving behaviors of people following a disaster could apply in this crisis. You will find these interesting. The high points from the study showed that Americans are generous in times of need and give immediately following a crisis event. No question, giving usually happens within the first 6 weeks of the crisis. That's mainly because the media coverage is heavy. The crisis event is top of mind. The pain and suffering are still raw. Next, people give based on their connection and relationship to the organization. And when they give over and beyond what they have given in the past. Next, not surprisingly, people give based on their relationship to someone directly affected by the crisis and give knowing so many more people are also hurting and struggling. And finally, people with higher incomes and more education tend to give more in times of need. On the challenging side of giving during disasters, people's continuous support of giving disappears. When media attention goes away, people's attention is lost, even though nonprofits are still addressing the needs of the crisis. But on top of everything revealed from the study, here's the biggest takeaway of why people don't give. It's because they are not asked. So what does this mean for you, a fundraiser for your nonprofit? It means, number one, continue to ramp up communications. Use your newsletters to share recent stories of how beneficiaries are afloat or still receiving value because of gifts received. Absolutely, share exactly how dollars are at work. Strong communications will keep your organization top of mind. Number two, stewardship is the golden strategy. Certainly, communicate one-on-one with your top donors and stay focused on the personal touches. Donors want to hear from you right now, especially your most loyal and major donors. And number three, keep asking for support. Successful fundraisers succeed because they ask for what their organization needs. Above all, you are the conduit between those in need and those who can make a difference. In summary, keep communications at an all-time high. Love on your donors and don't forget to ask for their support. Right now is the best time to be raising money for your nonprofit. Listen, you want to grab my Major Gift Fundraising Blueprint. It is a step-by-step approach to securing large gifts, and that's exactly what you need to be doing right now. I have new offerings this month you don't want to miss. Click here or go to fundraisingmaximize.com/blueprint. See you next time. Bye for now.